Hi, are you looking to hire 24 by 7 employee who work for you tirelessly day in day out without asking for any salary or hikes? Or are you somebody who's generating tons of inquiries but manually qualifying them by calling them or hiring a big sales team? Or are you somebody who is absolutely disconnected with clients and looking for a solution through which you can stay in touch with clients? Hi everyone, my name is Keval Kishan, India's leading business automation coach, and today I will guide you how using Automate Chats, which is an AI powered WhatsApp marketing and automation platform, how you can automate your business. So let's get started. Number one, AI powered WhatsApp marketing and automation platform, which help you grow your business with the power of official WhatsApp API. In today's tutorial, I'm going to train you on how to set up this application and how to automate your business with Automate Chats. Now, the best part about Automate Chats is you can manage thousands of clients' chats at one place. Number two, it helps you send bulk WhatsApp messages from a centralized WhatsApp API number. What is WhatsApp API? WhatsApp API is an official number which you get verified on Meta's platform, and through that particular number you can send bulk message to 500,000, 10,000, or even lakhs of people. It is separate from normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp business app. WhatsApp API is something which you get from Meta through our platform. And for that, you need just a number, a GST certificate, a business website, and an official email address. And within 10 minutes, you can get WhatsApp official API. I'll show you on how can you get that. Now, the best part about Automate Chats is it helps you centralize your contacts. Then it helps you qualify your inquiries into quality prospects by you building quick no code chatbots. What is a chatbot? I'll show you how to make it. And the biggest and the best part is AI. Imagine your WhatsApp answering all the customer queries available to your client 24 by 7. Now, before we go further, let us first of all understand on what is a WhatsApp chatbot. So let me give you a quick example. For example, if this is your number, this is your company's number, and let's say if any customer reaches out to you on WhatsApp, and when you talk about WhatsApp chatbot, WhatsApp AI agent, you need to define a keyword. So let's say if you're into manufacturing or trading, so let's say your keyword is traders or hi or hello or I want to buy, and automatically whether you're sleeping or it is 5 a.m. in the morning, your WhatsApp will reply to your client. So you see, as a customer, I wrote a word and it automatically triggered a message. And it is giving option. Do you want to purchase in bulk, or do you want to become a dealer, or do you want to say, talk to a sales team? So let's say the customer, if I click on bulk purchase, then now it is asking that would you like to buy cement or steel or you know tiles or marble. So it means in your business as well, you can define the products and services and let customer choose. Now imagine all your effort which your cold calling team or pre-sales team was putting up, all that effort is done, gone, because of this one AI powered chatbot which is built on Automate Chats platform. Now it will ask for, let's say, quantity, and then once it answer or ask all the question, it will update your sales teammate and update the details either on your CRM or Google Sheet or wherever you want. Now it says where do you want the order to be delivered, within Delhi or outside Delhi. Just a dummy chatbot for you to understand on how it works. It will ask for when do you want to get it delivered, right? So this is one of the example, and here you can see that as the Automate Chat client, as Automate Chat customer, I'm able to see all the chat here, what the chatbot has talked to this client, and I can allocate this chat to my teammates as well, where they can chat with this client, but I want chatbot to do the magic. And here you can see if we want to close this ticket, so we can click on closed and this particular chat will be closed. So with Automate Chats, your team, when available, can directly chat with the client. And when your team is not available, chatbot can do the magic for you. So for example, here, if I write hi, so now I'm sending a hi from here and it is going to customer, right? So from one central platform, you can manage thousands and thousands of contacts. Now, how does it work? Simply here, when you create your account on Automate Chats, the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your official WhatsApp API. And how do you get it? For that, you click on channels, and here you click on add a new channel. And to add a new channel, what do you need? You need one number on which you don't use WhatsApp. All right. And you need to have your Facebook Meta account, and you need to have your debit or credit card to add the credit card to Meta so that you can send bulk WhatsApp messages. Once you complete this, once you, let's say you choose it, yes, then you click on next. And this is where it gives you option to connect with new WhatsApp number. And this is where this pop-up will come, and it is basically log into your Facebook account. Facebook, as you know, is Meta. And then here you add a number for which you want WhatsApp API to be configured, and automatically your WhatsApp API gets set for you. And this is how it looks like. Your number will come here, and it will say your number status is active, and quality score means the kind of messages that you're sending, are people responding. So this is a quality score which comes from Meta. All right. Now, so let's begin with the first section, which is team inbox. Now, how many times it happens that your chats are all scattered? Your team is chatting with the client, and you have no idea what they have chat about, right? Now, here that problem gets solved. Imagine that your one number on which either client reach out or you send the bulk WhatsApp, but you will know exactly what your client is chatting with your teammate is chatting with the client. Now, here you can see you can add all your teammates here, right? And how do you add it? Now, on the right side, you can see there's an option called more, where you click and you go to the team management. And in the team management, you can add the members who will handle the chats. You can give the roles to them, make them admin, test account. And the best part is you can create your own roles in this, like which teammate will do what. Okay. So you're clear with that. Whatever chats your client team is doing with your client, you can see it, and thousands of clients can be managed from one portal, right? Number two, while your team is chatting with the client, the number is one, that is centralized. Number two, how do you do bulk WhatsApp campaign? And for that, let's say if you go to contacts, this is where you can add a contact. You can add contact one by one, or there is an option of bulk contact upload as well. So you can click on import, and this is where you can upload your contacts name, number, and you can just send bulk WhatsApp campaign. How do you do that? So for that, you click on campaigns, and in campaigns, this is where you get the option to first of all define the message template. Now, message template is basically the message that you are trying to send to your client. Now, why I say Automate Chats is the best platform in India? Because this entire platform is absolutely AI powered. How? For example, you want to create a WhatsApp message template. So you will think, what do I do? What kind of message should I create? No need to think too much. Just click on create with AI. And here, first of all, you will get free pre-built templates like order confirmation, appointment reminder, promotional offer, then shipping update, welcome update. It shows that you can create interactive message, carousel, or lifetime offer deal or something else. Here you just need to define what kind of message you want to create. So let's say I want, or maybe let's say, right, create, or just say it. Just tell and it will create. Create a WhatsApp marketing campaign for a special Diwali offer, and make it carousel. And in this upcoming Diwali, we are giving 15% discount on all our products, and people can avail this by clicking on the button given below. So let's say you just gave a command, and this voice will be converted to text, went to AI, and now AI is creating the template for you. It's a standard basic template which it has created. And it says Diwali special offer, celebrate this Diwali with this much of discount and this. And then let's say you click on use this template, and automatically, without you putting any effort, your text, your body, your header is all created. Yes, what you need to upload in this is you need to upload the media as well. You can upload any kind of image or video to finalize the message. And in fact, it has added the footer as well. which says hurry, offer ends soon, and then claim offer. So AI is telling you what kind of message will be perfect for WhatsApp, because in WhatsApp if you send long messages then it goes to read more and people don't read more. Correct? Right? So without me writing it, through AI I created the message. Now if I click on save and submit, then this message will be approved either in marketing category or in the utility category. And marketing means any messages which are intended to do marketing of a product service. Utility means any product update, any service update in terms of your product has been delivered or payment follow-ups. That is a utility template. Usually marketing messages cost you around 85 paisa. There are platforms in the market which are charging you more, but the specialization of automate chats is we don't charge anything on top of what Meta charges when it comes to the message cost. All right. And utility message usually cost around 14 paisa, and this pricing keeps going up and down, 2 to 3% depending upon Meta's market, but we don't charge anything extra on top of it. Now here you can see how do you create the campaign. Let's say you have defined your WhatsApp message template. Now it's time for you to learn कैसे आप campaign भेजेंगे bulk. So how do you do it? Simply you click on create campaign, you write the campaign name, Diwali campaign, let's say. When do you want to send it? Why do you want to send it now? Be like Keval Kishan, be like Automate Business. Plan your things in advance. All right. So here you can choose, okay, when is Diwali coming? So let's say you choose particular month and you choose any particular day, right? When Diwali is coming, you can choose that day and you can choose out, okay, what time it should go, and then you click on next. Once you do that, then you can choose whether you want to send it to all your contacts or whether you want to send this bulk campaign to any specific segment. Segment means you can divide your, let's say you've got 10,000 contacts, you can divide them into multiple segments like BNI, your customers, prospects, vendors, and you can choose which segment you want to send the campaign to. Or you can just simply copy paste the messages here, the numbers here, and it will trigger the message. All right. And as soon as you do that, then you click on, let's say, next, and here you choose the template, which template you want to send, right? And you can test it here and then you can send a bulk WhatsApp campaign. It is as easy as that, right? So through AI you created a WhatsApp marketing message. Next is automation. This is where things go to next level. Are you excited about automation? Now where do you find this product? By the way, you go to automatechats.com, you will find automate chats, and you can create your account, set up your WhatsApp API, and begin your automation journey. Or to know more, you can go to automatebusiness.com, which is our official website where we've got products like chats, forms, CRM, task. And this is where you can find an option to book a demo as well with our team, one-to-one demo, or you will have an option to attend our upcoming events like hackathon, summits, and all. So you can attend any of that as well. So now I'm going to train you how do you use the feature like chatbots, AI assistant, and कैसे आप इस platform को next level use कर सकते हो. So now what you saw in the starting of the tutorial, you saw a WhatsApp chatbot handling the query, asking the right questions. So now it's time for you to learn how to build a chatbot using Automate Chats app. Well, it's pretty simple. You go to log into Automate Chats, go to automations, click on chatbot, and that's it. Go to create with AI. Just like you created messages using AI voice note, you can build your chatbot as well. So let me tell you the hard way first. Hard way is that you click on blank, you give it a name, and this opens up, and you are in a no man's zone. You're wondering what to do when a new message comes up. Then what happens, what kind of node I connect, do I need to add another question here, and like you will get confused. You like, how do I build it? Right? So here, let's say if somebody says hi, you can reply with a question, and then you can ask a question, and that question could be image, it could be drop down, it could be something else. So it could be a single reply, it could be a multiple reply, or something else. Now this is confusing. How do you build it? No need of doing it manually. Create with AI and tell it what kind of chatbot you want to create. Hi, I want to create a chatbot for a manufacturing business and trading business, getting inquiries from India Mart Trade India. And this chatbot will qualify whether they want to buy plastic pipes or steel pipes. And it will ask for the number of pieces required, delivery date, the payment method. So create a chatbot. Yeah. So you see, it converted my voice into text. And then now, just from this voice note, it will build in completely end to end WhatsApp chatbot, which usually might take 3 hours. Here it happens in less than 30 seconds. And guess what? The chatbot is live. It is ready. Here you can see the here you can define in terms of, let's say, pipes could be the keyword. If somebody write pipes, then this chatbot will trigger. It say, thank you so much for reaching out to us via India or Trade India. We supply plastic and steel pipes. Again, you can change it. You can, change this text as well. Let's say, thank you. Hi, welcome to, Ma Shakti Traders, right? And you can just save it. Just make any changes and you can save that. Then what kind of products you want to buy, plastic or steel pipe, okay? And then how many pieces you need, right? You can see here, all of it is there. Let's say this question is called interactive, which is, I'll show you how it works. And it will be a button and you can add more buttons here, right? And then let's say how many pieces you need. Then, when do you want to get it delivered? And thank you. And here's a summary. We'll get back to you. So let's say if I switch it on. So this is technically this chatbot is live. And all this data then can be transferred to your favorite applications. It could be transferred to Automate CRM. It could be transferred to your Google Sheet. So here in the integration node, you can bring it to your task CRM or even Google Sheet as well, right? So like this video, if you're loving this automation, that entire workflow has been automated here. That is the speed with which things are running up when it comes to automation. So let's say I'll just close this chat and I will delete it. And guess what? I've tried it. It worked. I wrote pipes. It says, hi, welcome. Which type of pipe you want to buy? Let's say if I choose plastic pipes, again, it will reply. How many pieces you need? So let's say if I write 50 pieces. Okay. When do you want to get it delivered? Let's say 10th of. Okay. What is your preferred payment method? Let's say cash on delivery, credit terms, advance payment. Now it has given the summary and the lead, the day details, the lead, everything, all this can go to a proper CRM, right? So that's what I'm saying. Go to automatebusiness.com. Here details of automate chats, forms, CRM, everything is given. And you can attend our upcoming business AI hackathon as well. Or you can book a one-to-one demo with our team to grow your business. So I hope this is clear to you. Let's say I'll just close this chat. So this is how easy it is for you to build your WhatsApp chatbot. Just AI prompt and your chatbot is live. Another thing which you can make here is AI assistant. AI assistant and AI chatbot are similar, but AI assistant is not only a button based journey in terms of communicating with the client. AI assistant is somebody to which you can give more knowledge in terms of uploading any doc, defining all the questions and answers, and it will be more on the chat based conversation will happen in this. So I'll just give you a demo first before training you on how to do this. For example, if I click on plan wedding, let's say this is one of the AI assistant. All right, let's say it's for wedding planners. Let's say, hi, this is Anju for your perfect wedding planner. How can I help you? Want to plan wedding? And here you can see it says that sounds exciting. What kind of wedding you're planning? Destination, traditional. All right, destination. So you can see here that it is more on the chat based rather than the button based. All right, and when it comes to the AI assistant, you can give it more data in terms of more questions, answers. You can give your website as well as the input, and it will know a lot of things. So AI assistant is an AI powered chat, and WhatsApp chatbot is a button based chat. Okay, where the flow is absolutely fixed. But in case of AI assistant, the flow is not fixed. If customer goes to some other steps, or customer doesn't reply as per the flow, then also AI assistant kind of take cares of it. So how do you create an AI assistant? You simply click on add AI assistant. Before that, let's check out this knowledge management. Here you can upload your ebooks, your docs, your summary of your website, and AI assistant will know everything about your company. And then it will chat with the client. So in case if AI assistant is helping client in sales questions, if client asks something about support, it will answer. If client asks something about some other context of your business, it will answer. Considering if that is added into the ebook or a knowledge base which I've uploaded here. So for example, if I click on add assistant, so let's say business coaching as an example, you want to have this, or you want, maybe let's go for a service. It's a digital marketing AI assistant. All right, and you click on this, and this particular add-on which you can see on the right, you can just, once you make it, you can add it on your website as well. So on your website on the right side, this is how this entire pop-up will come, and people can click and trigger the chat. All right, so here you can define, okay, what kind of you know AI you want to build. So you can add it here, and then you click on your instruction here. You are a digital marketing chatbot, expert, helping clients in booking one-to-one meeting with me. Client might need SEO, ads, website development services. Qualify them before sharing one-to-one meeting link. All right, so let's see. So if I click on next, and this is where you can define any kind of header message, on when the AI assistant sends a message, what will the first message, fallback message. Let's say if client end up asking something which agent is not prepared for, then what will be the message that AI assistant will send. Stop keyword. Let's say if client says stop, then it will stop. Footer message can be defined here, and here will be the knowledge base. So let's say you or your team can upload a PDF which has got a detailed knowledge base, and based on that knowledge base, then here you can define what will be the voice, because it works on the voice note section as well. So example, uh, we'll have approx 100 guests. So you can see here it replied in a voice note only. So I'll just unmute. Yes, now have a look.
Got it. Approximately 100 guests. Do you already have a location or venue in mind, or are you open to suggestions? For example, Jaipur Palace, Goa Beach Wedding, Banquet Hall in Delhi, or open to recommendation.
Because this particular AI assistant has the knowledge base where all these things have been mentioned, then when you are making it, you can choose whether it's going to be a male voice, female voice. So in case if client replies through a voice note only, then AI assistant will also reply through voice note only, right? And so this is how through this process you can speak in calm and professional language. And here then you click on next, and you are able to make it live. All right, so this is how easy it is for you to make your AI assistant also live. Next step is drip WhatsApp marketing, or we call as sequence. Now, imagine you are getting hundreds of inquiries every week from India Mart, Trade India, from various platforms, and many a times what happens that you are not able to, nurture them. Let's say if you generate 10 leads today, 20 leads tomorrow, 30 leads day after tomorrow, what happens to the leads you got 1 week back? right? So this sequence feature is basically it automate your WhatsApp follow-ups with smart message sequences. Even if your team doesn't call, WhatsApp will keep taking follow-ups. So how does it work? It's very simple. You click on this and you define the sequence name, automated WhatsApp follow-ups, and then you need to add a condition that this particular you know sequence will trigger based on some logic, and that logic could be maybe if if their industry is, let's say, equals, let's say this, or let's say when they say yes to the question like do you want to buy a product, yes or no, if they say yes, if that is equal to yes, then let's say this will be triggered. So you can add a condition, and then you need to add the exit condition as well. When will it exit? So let's say if again you can define conditions here, and then you can define the sequence message. So you can define the first message, and all right. So let's say you have added one message. Similarly, you can add more messages. And when you switch it on, then automatically, as soon as the lead come in your CRM or Google Sheet, and if it is integrated with this, then automatically your client will start getting WhatsApp messages. So through Automate Chats, you can send bulk WhatsApp campaign. And to create WhatsApp templates, you can use AI. Just speak it and it will create your message template. Number two is campaign. So you just click on campaign and send bulk WhatsApp campaign. The number doesn't get blocked until unless Meta blocks it. Usually, if you use your personal WhatsApp, the number gets blocked. You can't send more than 250 messages. In official WhatsApp API, your number doesn't get blocked until unless you are going against the rules of Meta. Let's say if you're sending any messages which are controversial, which are not adhering to the policies of Meta, then something can happen. And then third is the chatbots. So unlike other softwares where you spend 3 hours or attending various classes to understand how chatbot works, here just go to create with AI, speak, and your chatbot workflow gets created. I showed you live on how we created this chatbot just through one AI prompt. All right, that also through voice note. Next was AI assistant. This is powerful. Here it help you conversate with the client through voice note as well. You can add your knowledge base. And then last but not the least is the drip WhatsApp marketing. You can define 5, 10, 15, 20 WhatsApp messages, create them in sequence, and automatically it triggers. So if you are somebody who's looking to grow your business, then Automate Chats is the solution when it comes to WhatsApp marketing and WhatsApp automation. You can visit automatebusiness.com to know more, and you can book a one-to-one demo, or you can attend our upcoming classes to implement it all in your business. All right, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like it, share it with other business owners who are struggling with existing WhatsApp tools in the market where everything is manual. With Automate Chats, you can fully utilize the power of all WhatsApp features, including chatbots, AI assistant, WhatsApp message template creation through AI. And the best part, along with Automate Chats, we provide a CRM which is AI powered. We provide a team management software, leave in attendance. So explore our complete portfolio. Go to automatebusiness.com and comment below how was the tutorial and what was your biggest takeaway, which feature you liked the most. Tell me what other kind of tutorials you want me to make, and I will make. Signing off, Keval Kishan, founder of Automate Business. Thank you.